Hey, morning, morning, morning. How's everyone doing? Half day, right? 4th of July coming. Everybody have a great holiday. Be careful, be safe. Um, it's good. It's all good. We got half day today. I think we're done at noon here, Chi-Town time. So we got unemployment numbers out just now at 7:30 here. So we're getting a little bit of a pop, but they are settling back in pretty quickly as well. All right, so I'll pull up the SPY real quick. I'm gonna just talk about one stock today. Um, SPY right here, I got it up on the quarter, so it's already taken the 3-2 up on the quarter. So what does that tell us? Tells us that it can go three again. Threes and threes and threes. They like to hang out together. All right. So you did get the higher high there. All right. So which means you can engulf. If you get where I'm coming from. All right. So SPY, there you are on your weekly. We'll flip it over to the month, and you kind of get the look of the month. Um, just two up now. I want to make a point of this. See this three crows? This is what they call. This is what we call three crows. Doot doot doot. Now that's on a monthly, but I'm looking at the ones I'm going to look at are going to be on a daily. All right. So, but that's just getting the gist of it here. All right, so there's where we are, and we got up to 622.82, and we pulled back in considerably. All right, so nice spike on the unemployment numbers, and then they brought them right back in. Q's same thing, same situation here. Got up to 553 and a quarter, pulls back. All right, we got a beacon up here on a weekly. Okay. And that's it for today. All right, so that is a beacon. That is a pivot. That is something that we look for that can potentially be bullish. I'm sorry, bearish, more importantly. All right, but that's something to keep an eye on. All right, so and then we got diamonds. And again, they probably could flip that color again today. Diamonds has got that 2-2, that 3-2 up. Still got work to do. All right, back to 445 right now, and it's already taken the quarter up. But our next stop is 451 and change. All right, to get back up to this high from last year. All right, that was January, or December of last year. Okay, so diamonds, we'll see what happens there. All right, I want to flip over to one stock only. Tesla. All right, it's one we don't really talk about too much. Don't talk about it too much, but I noticed when I was looking at it last night after I was looking at some stocks, I saw this day pattern that Tesla's got going on here. Okay, so you got this 2-2 up, real nice, and now 316.91. All right, we're above there now. Okay, all right. So I said about three crows. I showed you the 3 months. These are three. This is I'm saying that we have the opportunity to maybe get another nice day up. 331.33 doesn't really. That's a nice move. Even if it got up through there, okay. Even if it got through there at 331, we're trading at 317 right now, okay. So that would be a nice another nice move up to this area in here. All right, that's my thinking for the day. What I look at when I see is that, okay, I got quarter and I'm 2-1 inside and I'm green. All right, this is real nice. Okay, this is cooking real good. And then we'll bring the month in, and the month has grown since since whatever 2 days ago. All right, so we're 1-1 month though. We're 1-1 month, which means we had a complete month of consolidating, and we continue to consolidate. All right, so again, when you watch these 1-1s when they come out, because sometimes they might come out and say they make a move, or they might reverse and turn around, get back up. So all right, so there's been a lot of consolidating in here. So we need to get out of this. The quicker the better. 356.92 to get out. Now, if you want to break it to the downside, it's back down to 272.93. Either way she wants to go. I like the three crows. Maybe that can come to fruition today. We'll see if we can have a little bit better test today in Tesla. That's my thoughts. I wanted to just talk about that. I do have a pivot on the week that is red. All right, but that's going to change here. What's 319.15? All right, it's going to have to get to 319.15 just to get that week to turn green. Okay, so we'll wait and see. Apple, I bought some down there lower here. I've been holding on to it. Yesterday it spiked. It got back into my equilibrium and touched back in again. I couldn't believe it. All right, so looking to see if we can get some more of that come back in there. As you can see, it popped in only a few times. All right, so we're getting closer here. 211.89. I'll tell you, it's got to get through 214, and then I think it's got to move. But I think between this point here, 11 to 14, I wouldn't. It's chopping up, man. All right, so be careful on Apple on that one. I think you see these floods in China too, and they don't talk about it on anything on the TV anywhere. I mean, that could create issues for freight that moves in and out of China. So, but nobody's saying anything about it. Very hush hush in the news, but you can read about it. All right, so I'm gonna leave it there. I like Boeing. Still, and I just wanted to get. Let's keep an eye on Tesla and see if we can make some money today. All right, and everybody have a wonderful holiday. Be safe and be good. Be good.